Hello, I'm Matilda. Today we're going to make circular images, such as these two. I'll start with opening a code pen, and you can use whatever image you like. I will just grab some images from assets down here. So I click photos, and here you have a lot of images from Unsplash. So I will just search for the same one I had. And I will copy the URL. And then to start, I will create an image tag. And as the source, I will just paste the URL. And close the image tag. It's a little bit different if you want to style the square images or rectangular images to be round. So to make sure we only style this one, I will add a class name to it. So I write class and then square image. And then to target the class, I write dot and then class name. So dot square image. And I open curly brackets, and here I can write my styling. And since we're going to have two images, I want this one to be a little bit smaller. So I will write height, maybe 200 pixels. And width the same. And then to make it round, we can write something called border radius. And you can write, for example, pixels or percentage. We can try with 20 pixels to start with. And then you'll see its corners are rounded. But we want the image to be completely round. So instead of 20 pixels, we write 50%. And now it's round. And to do the same with a rectangular image, I'm going to find a new image first. And copy the URL. And open an image tag. And paste the source. And close the image tag. Now I want to style only this one, so I will create a new class name. And I will call this rectangular image. And to target it, I write the dot, same. Rectangular image. And curly brackets, and now I can style it. And I want this to be the same size as the other one, so I'll write height 200 pixels. And now, if we just go ahead and write border radius 50% on this one as it is, you can see it's not round, it's oval. So to make this round, we want it to be square from the beginning. So we write the width 200 pixels, but now you can see it's a little bit squished. So to fix that, we want to resize it using something called object fit. And we set it to cover. Now it's not squished anymore. But I want this blue Lego man to be centered. And for that, we can use something called object position to position it. And it's the left part of the image that I want to be centered. So I just position it to the left. And that's how you can make circular images. Now it's your turn to try it out. Good luck!